in BasedWorld right now. It's a beautiful new world, whole new reality. Sun is shining, beaming down on us. The birds are saying what's up. Lil B's just dropped a new music video for Gucci, OJ, Waka Yachty, I believe, or maybe I got that out of order. But from Bitch Mob, the album, shouts out to the Bitch Mob. We living in a based world, till the whole world's based. Not afraid to say it, I'm based. I've been based. I stay based. I'm living based. It's based for your face. Pretty boy Sage. Worth $1 trillion. Trillionaire. Zillionaire. Past the ceiling. Still a willionaire. Use your willpower to pull it out the air. We so blessed, you know, we just left behind a rose, left behind our old love, but it's still new love. Every day is new love, and it's all love. No love is lost. I'm sorry for all the pain. I just want to say thank you, Base God. Beautiful life. Thank you to the Most High, above the Most High, way up in the sky, way up in the heart, the echoes at a start, when the game barely started. Feeling lovely, feeling like money, we getting that worth it, they staying with it. Till they. I love y'all. Hope y'all having a great day, a great start to your week, and a lovely November and December heading into the new year. Although y'all know the new year doesn't start for a few months after that, so we're really right in the middle of the year right now, to be honest. We're towards the middle end of the year. Not quite the end yet. But yeah, I just really wanted to check in, say what's up, spread the love, spread the energy, the vibe. Say what's up to the wildlife, the nature, the moon, all the flavors of life. Playing the game of life, we just logged in, upgrading, moving to new maps, exploring the map, new missions, writing in the journal. New single by PsiloSage out called See the Light, because we see the light, we shining with the light, so bright. Yeah, we in the light. I see 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 the light. I feel the light. I feel so light. I feel the light. I'm in the light. I am the light. I shine at night. I shine so bright. I am the light. Yes, sir, I am the light. I shine so bright at night. Hope they can see with their sight. Where's the guide? It's a flash in the dark cave. Can I last through the new age? It's PsiloSage. Speaking the mind every time, don't need a beat to rhyme. It's all by design. Young wind chime, chiming in the mind. Hope they hear that ring, that bell we seeing through. Getting the footage, recording it. Shouts out to the Lord in it. Never aborting it. We're raising it up. Whole new generation. We shocking them, bruh. Electrify the light in my mind's eye. Make them see the light. Remind them they shining bright. It's the twilight. I'm a vampire in the day. Y'all see it on my skin. The crystals. Sending words like missiles direct to the target. I hope it's received. I hope they believe. I see the light. It shines so bright. I see the light. Y'all see the birds flying high. They saying what's up. What's up? Yo. I see the light. It shines so bright. Respect to the earth. Respect to all the souls that's having faith, even in the dark night of the soul. We gon' get it. We gon' get it. We gon' get it. We gon' hit it. Nah, I miss it. We gon' get it. We gon' hit it. We not missing. We gon' hit it. Alright, love y'all for life. Just wanted to check in once again. 7 minutes straight off the head. Yeah, we based. What up, fam? Playing the game of life right now. Logging in. All that. I couldn't even see your comment. It's so bright out here. But I saw the word based. Once again, thank you, Bass God. Just dropped a new mixtape. Shout out Lil B. I mean, a new song, music video. 2 bass right now. Catch you soon. Peace.